Here are 10 signs of a healthy long-distance relationship. 1. You communicate regularly and openly. You make time for each other every day, even if it's just a quick phone call or text message. You are able to share your thoughts and feelings honestly and openly, even when it's difficult. 2. You trust each other. You feel secure in your relationship and don't have to worry about your partner being unfaithful. You are able to give each other space and privacy without feeling jealous or insecure. 3. You are committed to each other. You both want to make the relationship work and are willing to put in the effort to do so. You have a shared vision for the future and are confident that you can overcome any challenges that come your way. 4. You are patient. You understand that long-distance relationships take time and effort. You don't expect things to be perfect all the time and are willing to work through the tough times. 5. You are creative. You find ways to stay connected and engaged, even when you're not physically together. You might video chat, send each other care packages, or play games online. 6. You are optimistic. You believe that the distance is temporary and that you will eventually be together. You focus on the positive aspects of your relationship and don't dwell on the challenges. 7. You are supportive. You are there for each other through thick and thin. You celebrate each other's successes and offer comfort during difficult times. 8. You are understanding. You recognize that each of you has a different life and that there will be times when you can't be there for each other. You are willing to make allowances and forgive each other's mistakes. 9. You are forgiving. You understand that arguments and disagreements are a normal part of any relationship. You are willing to forgive each other and move on. 10. You are happy. Despite the distance, you are still happy in your relationship. You feel loved, supported, and cherished. If you can see yourself in these 10 signs, then you are probably in a healthy long-distance relationship. However, it is important to remember that every relationship is different. What works for one couple may not work for another. The most important thing is that you and your partner are happy and committed to making the relationship work.